In this video, I'll show you how to add a vintage film light leak transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. This transition creates warm light streaks between your clips, making the scene change feel soft, cinematic, and nostalgic. It works great for travel videos, wedding films, lifestyle edits, and retro style content. Let's get started. First, place your two clips on the timeline and make sure they touch at the cut point where you want the transition. Now, go to the effects panel, search for light leak. Once you find it, drag and drop it between your clips. Now, select the transition and open effect controls. Here are the most important settings. Strike amount controls how strong the light streaks look. Spot amount controls the amount of glowing light spots in the effect. Softness controls how smooth or sharp the light leak appears. Flash controls the brightness of the light burst. And dissolve time controls how fast one clip transitions into the next. Use a shorter duration for a quick, subtle light leak. Use a longer duration for a smoother cinematic transition. For best results, this effect looks amazing on warm-toned footage like sunsets or golden hour shots. And that's it. That's how you add a vintage film light leak transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.